Good morning students, this is the video for the 5th class and I will teach you maths. As we are doing the chapter number 12, which is basics of geometry. Today we will solve these questions. Look at this figure and we have to write the acute angles. Okay, so acute angle which are less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree, right? So there is an angle, this is an angle of less than 90 degree. This is also the acute angle, this is also the acute angle. So our acute angle will be AGF, angle AGF, angle FED and angle DCB. Okay, so we are talking about this angle, so G will be at the middle. Okay, and when we talking about this angle, so A will be come in the middle of FD, and we are talking about C angle, so we will put the C in the middle of DB. Okay, so these are acute angles. Now I have to write the obtuse angle. So obtuse angle, so this is the more than 90 degree angle and this is also the more than 90 degree angle. Okay, so GAB, angle GAB and angle CBA will be the obtuse angle. Okay, now the next question is name the following. So look at the figure, we have to write the line segment parallel to XY. So XY this is, and this is parallel to the AB. Okay, and line segment perpendicular to XY. So line segment perpendicular to XY, so BC and CQ. Okay, now I have to write the acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. So right angle will be ABC and angle ABC and angle XCQ. So these are angles, acute angle, right angle. Then acute angle will be so this angle is also this angle is acute angle CQP, angle CQP, and obtuse angle will be, so this angle will be obtuse angle XPQ. So these questions you have to do like this, and this is the activity of activity on angles. So the following picture shows the various steps of Surya Namaskar Asana, which exercise also your whole body. Find out the type of angle formed by following yoga asana. So this is the angle, which kind of angle? Straight angle. And this is the obtuse angle, this is the acute angle, this is also the acute angle, this is obtuse angle, right? And this is acute angle, and this is obtuse angle, and this is acute angle. So you have to write these angles name. Okay, now there is a challenge. What is the measure of trisected angle of 162 degree? So you have to measure these angles and tell about this. And in the given figure, which line is perpendicular to line P? So which line is perpendicular to line P? So you have to look at this and give the answer. Okay, thank you.